The ISFP is a type who prioritizes internal harmony, personal values, and deep emotional connections. They are typically warm, caring, and loyal, often forming lasting bonds with those they trust. ISFPs excel in individual work that involves self expression, such as art, literature, or psychology. These people are highly attuned to the needs of the moment, often excelling in fields that require adaptability and a sense of beauty and proportion. They are perceptive individuals who keenly observe the world around them, often finding beauty and meaning in everyday experiences. They engage fully in the present moment, seeking tangible, real world experiences that satisfy their senses. Although they struggle with planning for the future during times of crisis, instead preferring to focus on immediate concerns, ISFPs are masters of self care. They are able to set healthy boundaries and understand their limits. The ISFP also possesses an underrated intuition, allowing them to seek patterns and connections in their experiences and foresee events before they occur. Due to their imagination, they often experience aha moments when everything falls into place. Spiritually inclined, ISFPs are comfortable with uncertainty and constantly reevaluate their beliefs. On the other hand, ISFPs have weaknesses too. They struggle with logical problem solving and taking decisive or appropriate action. They stick to their own opinions when presented with facts, which makes them appear stubborn and inflexible. When they're stressed, their strong emotions can take over, making them react emotionally and even throw tantrums instead of considering other solutions. ISFPs make decisions based on their own moral code and gut feelings. They're very thoughtful and spend a lot of time thinking over their beliefs to make sure they feel right. This process of refining their values takes time and needs them to be alone with their thoughts. F5 values authenticity and dislikes anything that seems fake or shallow. SE is how ISFPs gather information by using their senses to understand the world. They focus on what's happening right now and possess a photographic perception. Due to strong SE, ISFPs enjoy trying out new sensory experiences for fun. NI is the third function for ISFPs, helping them gather valuable information, spot patterns, and even predict likely scenarios by considering and narrowing down multiple possibilities. It makes their inner world abstract and difficult to put into words. TE involves logical problem solving, improving efficiency, and refining existing processes. ISFPs prefer to use TE only when needed, as relying on it too much can be exhausting and unhealthy. When they do decide to use TE, they are not very good at it. In summary, ISFPs are compassionate, creative individuals with a strong sense of inner harmony and personal values. They thrive in environments that allow them to express themselves creatively and seek meaning in their experiences. While they struggle with decision making and comprehending systems, ISFPs are deeply loyal and devoted individuals who bring warmth and understanding to those around them.